Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can we use side loading on iPhone after iOS 17.4 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to launch the settings app, tap on general, tap on software update, and just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version like iOS 17.4. Okay guys, after updating your device guys, you can notice that you have a third party app. From there you can easily download any of the third party app, but let me tell you that this feature is available in Europe countries. Okay guys, so you cannot use side loading if you belongs from other region. Okay guys, so if you want to use side loading on your iPhone or your Apple device, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to use the developer. Okay guys, so the current situation is that guys, you cannot use side loading even if you belongs from Europe. Okay guys, this feature will be available within 1 month for all the users in Europe. Okay guys, so what should you do that guys, just simply you have to check your billing address and make sure that your billing address is correct and you have selected the country in which you are living. Okay guys, just simply you have to turn your location on, so you have to turn on the GPS location, and after that guys, what should you do that, just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using the Apple device which is not sell in the Europe, you cannot use side loading even. Okay guys, so you have to update your location or update your billing information, your country or your GPS location, or update your device, and after that guys, hopefully you can see side loading option, and hopefully you can use it, or hopefully you can download or install any third party app. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.